a frustrating night in many ways, but at the end of it, you're another point closer to promotion.
Yeah, of course. I thought we were very good first half. I thought we were totally dominant, and we missed 2 or 3 very good chances. And possibly the game should be out of sight by half time, but credit to Afan Lido in the second half. I thought they come strong.
As I said, you're nearly there now. Is there a case of white line fever in some ways, that you're nearly there and you just went across the line?
Not at all. We're just taking each game as it comes, cliche, and we'll take next game. Cambrai away will be a really tough ask, but we'll go there, and 3 points, we know this time, 3 points wins us the league.
Might be a strange question when you've just had a draw with the league leaders, but you went ahead tonight. Do you think you deserve more?
Yeah, 100%. Sorry, 100%. I think so. It was. If we look back on the January game, we were definitely good value for a point there. They probably nicked that one, and yeah, we were good value for a point today. It was a little bit disappointing that we switched off from a long ball, which we know Llanelli are very direct. We played high line and was aggressive against them. That's how we had so many offsides. So our tactic worked. But it was just, mistimed header. It'll be interesting to see it back, but that's a little bit frustrating. But overall, I think we're good value for a point.
Efo'r llinell derfyn mor agos rwan, ydy hwnna'n rhywbeth ella sydd ar feddylu ar chwaraewyr? Da chi'n gwybod un buddigoliaeth arall a da chi fyny, ond mae hwnna'n dod o pwysau ychwanegol o fod ydy?
Mae'n gallu, ond fel ti'n dweud, un gêm nawr, os ni'n ennill y gêm yma, dyn ni'n ennill y gyngrau, so ffocws ni yw ennill y gêm nesaf, tico hwnna mas, a dyna ni wedyn.